this afternoon, I am now with you in your town of Port Moran. We have been doing some work to improve your town, particularly on the roadway, but also on your drainage. Because you know, the slightest shower rain and most of this area is usually flooded. The purpose of government is to make your life better off. And one of the areas in which your lives have been affected would be road and the associated infrastructure, drains and retaining wall. The other is water. Those are two big things that your government is addressing. As you see, we are addressing the road. And when we address the road, we don't only lay asphalt, we also put in the pipes that carry the water. You will notice that sometimes they have to dig up back the road to repair the pipes underneath. That process will shortly come to an end as they complete the testing of all the pipes. In another couple of months, you are going to have the best roadway passing through your town. That roadway will come with proper drainage. It will come with proper retaining walls, sidewalk. You will also have your water main and your internet cable running on that infrastructure. Once that is done, your government intends to pursue another big project which will be beneficial for your town. I hear the complaints. People say, Prime Minister, you're doing well on the highways, but I want you now to focus on the road that leads from my house to the highway. I want you to focus on bringing the pipe water from the highway to my house. And I want to tell you, you heard of the Spark program? That is the first step in making sure that the road that connects your house to the highway is done. But we are going to go even bigger. We're going to go with another program parallel to the Spark program to deal with water. I know that a lot of communities in and around this area are suffering with water problems. Sometimes you have it, sometimes you don't have it. Some communities don't have it, none at all. From them established, they never have it. The commitment in the next term is to make sure that every household has access to potable water, meaning water you can drink and bathe with. That is going to be the focus. And when I tell you that that is something that this administration is going to do, you can carry it to the bank and cash it like a check. When we told you that we are going to reduce crime, them laugh after me and them say Jamaica will never be able to sleep with the window and door open. But I have always believed in a peaceful Jamaica. And today, we cut the murder rate in half. In half. We cut poverty in half. We move unemployment from 13% to 3%. More people working now than ever before in the history of Jamaica. So when I tell you that we are going to bring water to your homes in a major way, you can believe what I tell you. So my good friends and family in Port Moran, you see the evidence of our work, and therefore you can have hope in the substance of the things that you wish for. God bless you.